totals that we're seeing, it's a trend nationwide. Right now, COVID cases in the U.S. are setting new records, and medical experts believe it is going to get worse before it gets any better. According to Johns Hopkins University, the country hit a 7 daily average of more than 254,000 new cases, passing the previous record of nearly 252,000 set nearly a year ago. And COVID, for the first time in months, also sending more children to the hospital.
Right now, Ohio is one of 6 states seeing more than 100 children hospitalized with the coronavirus. Let's bring in Meg Shah, live at UH's Rainbow Babies and Children's Hospital with a closer look at this data and what doctors there are telling you, Meg. Good morning.
Well, good morning to you, Katie and Mike. You know, right now, simply put, these numbers are concerning. In Ohio at this time, there are more than 200 children who are hospitalized with COVID-19. Now, we talked to a pediatric critical care doctor here at Rainbow Babies and Children, and he tells us that kids are coming in at an alarming rate, and we've got to do our part to put an end to that.
This disease doesn't care if you're an elephant or a donkey. It doesn't care what you look like. What it cares about is the way that it can spread. And when you're vaccinated, you certainly quench that ability and you help yourself stay alive.
A strong message from Dr. Kenneth Remy from University Hospital's Rainbow Babies and Children, and a warning for the next couple of weeks.
And sadly, over the next couple of weeks, this is going to get worse.
Dr. Remy is a pediatric critical care doctor. He says for the past 2 years, he's watched COVID-19 take over the lives of so many families. Spouses losing one another, children saying goodbye to parents. And now, Dr. Remy says, it's time to step up, comparing our current state of emergency to a fire.
We have something that could actually quench much of those flames. And sadly, what that is wearing a mask indoors and getting vaccinated and getting boosted, because we know that these things will quell those flames and protect our children.
Nationwide, less than a third of eligible children ages 5 to 17 have been fully vaccinated. In Ohio specifically, the state's dashboard shows about 13% of 5 to 11-year-olds have completed their 2-dose vaccine, which is about 997,000 children. This is some advice from Dr. Remy for hesitant parents on getting their kids vaccinated.
We know it works. Let's partner. Let me understand exactly what you're afraid of, and let's find the best ways to get out of this together, and let me be there to help you get your children vaccinated if that's what you desire to do.
Again, health experts are preparing for even more children to become hospitalized with COVID-19, putting a further strain on their staff. So they're asking everyone to protect their loved ones and do what's necessary to get out of this current surge that we're seeing. Now, if you'd like to get your child vaccinated and you still have questions or trying to figure out where to go, head to the News 5 website and click on the coronavirus section. Reporting live, I'm Meg Shah, News 5.